Bluebeam Revu is a popular choice in the construction management world. But before you decide if it's the right fit for you, here are 12 things you need to know. We'll walk through its features, strengths, and where it might fall short compared to other software options in the market, so you can make an informed decision. First off, Bluebeam Revu is known for its robust PDF markup and collaboration tools. If you're looking to streamline your project documentation and increase team efficiency, it delivers on that promise. You can easily mark up PDFs with text, annotations, and stamps, making communication between teams smoother. But when comparing it to something like Adobe Acrobat Pro or PlanGrid, you'll find Bluebeam offers more construction-specific features, which sets it apart. Next thing, let's talk about pricing. Bluebeam Revu can be a bit pricey for smaller companies or independent contractors. While its value proposition is solid for larger teams, smaller businesses may find the upfront cost hard to justify. Compared to other options like Procore or Buildertrend, Bluebeam doesn't have the same subscription-based pricing, making it a higher upfront investment. The third thing to consider is the learning curve. While Bluebeam is powerful, it can be intimidating for new users. It offers plenty of advanced features, but if you're new to construction management software, getting up to speed can take some time. In comparison, software like Buildertrend has a more intuitive interface and might be easier for new users to adopt quickly. The fourth thing is Bluebeam's ability to integrate with other tools. It integrates well with a lot of construction-related applications like Procore, Microsoft Project, and others. But it does have some limitations when compared to more versatile platforms like Procore or Autodesk Construction Cloud, which have more extensive integration options. The fifth thing to keep in mind is the cloud-based features. Bluebeam offers cloud storage with Bluebeam Studio, but compared to competitors like Procore, its cloud features are a bit more basic. You can collaborate on PDFs in real time, but if you're looking for a fully integrated project management suite with all the bells and whistles, you might need something more robust. Next thing, Bluebeam is strong when it comes to takeoff and estimation tools. Its digital takeoff functionality makes measuring and calculating areas on PDFs a breeze. But compared to software like Stack or PlanSwift, which are built specifically for estimating, Bluebeam's features might feel more limited in this regard. The seventh thing is collaboration. Bluebeam excels at collaboration within teams by allowing simultaneous markups and the ability to track changes. However, when compared to software like Buildertrend, which includes built-in task management and progress tracking, Bluebeam doesn't quite have the same level of project oversight features. The eighth thing is Bluebeam's security features. It has a strong set of security features, including password protection, encryption, and redaction tools for sensitive information. This is a plus for construction companies dealing with confidential plans and documents. But compared to Procore, its project management security might feel a little less comprehensive. Ninth, the reporting and analytics tools. Bluebeam does offer some reporting capabilities, especially around markups, but compared to software like Buildertrend or Procore, the analytics might feel a bit basic. If you're someone who needs in-depth project analysis, you might find Bluebeam lacking in that area. The 10th thing is its mobile app. Bluebeam offers a solid mobile app that allows you to view and mark up documents on the go, which is great for field teams. However, it's not as fully featured as the apps for Procore or Buildertrend, which offer a broader range of features for project management beyond just document management. Next, let's talk customer support. Bluebeam offers solid customer service with online resources and support, but if you're used to the 24/7 customer support of platforms like Procore, you might find Bluebeam a bit lacking. Their support is good, but the response times may not be as fast as those seen with more customer-centric platforms. The 12th and final thing to know is that Bluebeam Revu is highly customizable. You can tailor the software to fit your workflow with custom tool sets and commands, making it adaptable to a wide range of needs. However, when compared to competitors that offer more pre-built workflows,